Hi, I'm Mickey with Window World of Houston. Today I'm going to show you our 4000 series double hung window. Okay, so this is it here. First of all, our frames are vinyl. There is some metal in here, but the majority of it is virgin vinyl. What we're replacing mostly are the aluminum frame windows in Houston. And that aluminum just soaks up that hot, cold noise. This doesn't do that. Most everybody uses vinyl now. It's just a better product. Ours are double hung, which just means both sides up and the bottom. Also the top. Comes with a half screen. So you just slide the screen over to whichever side you want to use. It does have these little bit locks. So the whole idea is you want to take a nap, run to the store, nobody's going to call on your window. You can vent the top, maybe in the kitchen areas. You can vent the bottom. I've got a little Chihuahua dog. Any higher than that, he's trying to jump through my screen, so it's my Chihuahua. Anyway. Without those, they'll open all the way. These do fold in. But this gives you an idea what you're really getting now with these windows. You notice this two piece of glass, there's a separation. In here they pump in a gas, argon. Now even though you can't see it, that gas is insulation. That really helps primarily with the cold and noise. Then on the glass, there's a chemical coating for the sun. So all that heat, UV, is blocked, filtered out. And with the gas and that low E coating, our windows qualify for Energy Star. That's the efficiency. It's very hard to meet. It's really what you want to look for in a window in Houston is that Energy Star label. As a bonus, this is basically a storm window. Ours are hurricane rated. And really what that means for us here, if you break these down, they're just seals everywhere. But they're very air and water tight. So when you shut it, all that dust and pollen stays outside. But also they're very strong. So this is glass I'm standing on, but it's double strength glass, it's thicker. So it does have the strength. If we do get a storm, you have a little peace of mind. Okay, so this is the outside we're looking at. The screens just pop out. It's extruded metal, it's really strong. Stainless steel springs. And if you notice, it rides in this channel. There's even a seal for the screen. But when you shut it, it keeps all the bugs and dirt out. So, just a very nice design. So options, I mean this is really our window. Everything's lifetime warranty, Energy Star, hurricane rated. White is my standard frame color. There are colors available. Besides that, these lines in the glass, we call those grids. Those are optional. And they're purely decoration, they don't do anything now. We actually add them if you want them. We'll just leave them off if you don't want them. It is an option. And that is our window. Thanks for watching.